Time now to check in with our news partners at KRDO News Radio.
Mike Lewis has more.
John and Brittany, thanks very much. We're here with Dr. Bill Letson. He is the Medical Director of El Paso County Public Health. Dr. Letson, it's great to have you here. I appreciate the time. So we've got a big public forum coming up on Thursday, and it's going to be focusing on youth tobacco use, right?
Correct.
And what's going to be the theme of the program here?
The theme of the program is going to be an opportunity for the public to hear from a woman who used to work for the tobacco industry and has an insider perspective and is able to talk about how the industry still markets their products to children.
Yeah.
This is not new. They've
Right.
done it for 40-plus years
Exactly.
and finally got caught at that.
But they have to do it in a much more stealthy fashion now.
It's somewhat more stealthy, but they have new products that they're using that are coming in a bit under the radar, like e-cigarettes.
Yeah, and you have these things that you have brought with you today, and what are we looking at here? These are just some of the ways that the kids are marketed to now?
Yeah, there are different delivery mechanisms, and some of them, much of what's in this jar are products that, say for example like this is
Right.
fairly called chew or chewing tobacco. And people don't think of this sort of thing as being particularly hazardous because it's not smoked. But all of the carcinogens that lead to lung cancer or cardiovascular disease in smoke, those kinds of compounds are in these things, and they're famous for causing esophageal cancers and the like, and then usually as a result people will have half of their face removed as part of the treatment. So it's not pretty, and even in children, this can, in some cases, happen quickly enough if they start very young that they're disfigured relatively early in life.
Right.
Yeah.
And this is a model of what happens when people smoke and use tobacco in their mouths, and it's absolutely incredible the damage that is done. So, Doc, when is the meeting? How can people get involved?
This is a public forum sort of thing at Centennial Hall that goes between 5 and I think it's either 8 to 8:30 on Thursday, April 23rd. And I think they're feeding people while they're there, so a little extra incentive to come.
For sure.
And it's a unique opportunity to hear from someone who really knows, as an insider, how they've marketed both to youth and youth in minority and in, low-income communities as well.
Well, it's going to be a very interesting event. We're really looking forward to it. Dr. Letson, thanks so much for the time today, and we look forward to talking to you again real soon.
You bet.
And with that, John and Brittany, I'll send it back to you.